Hey guys, Alex here from This Cob House, and in this video I want to talk to you about how to attach windows and doors to your cob walls. So this is the system that I use, and in this example I'm going to show you using a window frame, but the same concepts apply to doors as well. So basically what we're going to do is I built this window box here. It has a window frame. And just to go over the basic components of a window, we have the stiles, the vertical pieces, the rails, which are the horizontal pieces, top and bottom, and then we have the muntins in between. And then outside we have the window box, also sometimes called a window buck or a door buck. So the way I like to do it with cob construction is I'll actually build a rough frame first using dimensional lumber. So what I would do is I would have a nice finished window like this, which would go in near the end, and previously as I'm building the walls I would have a window box the right size and dimensions to fit this into. So these would be built connected to the cob wall. So I usually have a two-part system to where it's the rough window box made out of dimensional lumber and then the nice finished window box which goes in last. So just try to imagine here, I don't have all the pieces, but you would have the sides of your exterior rough window box, and what we want to do is attach that to the cob wall. So what I use are little pieces like this. This is a design that I find is very efficient and easy to make. This is just a window anchor, sometimes called a dead man. And what we're going to do is just simply drill from the inside of the window box into the anchor. And then what we're going to do is build the cob up beneath it and all the way around this anchor to where it's completely embedded into the wall. And so what I do is I'll usually build the cob up to whatever level I want to insert the anchor, place the anchor, drill it in, and then I knock these down to where they come poking into the cob beneath it, just for better integration. So I have two, you can see here there's two little holes. So I'd have two pegs. You can use a wooden peg like this, or you can just buy metal bolts at the hardware supply store. It's a lot easier. Making these wooden pegs is kind of time consuming. So basically you have your rough frame and it's completely connected to the cob wall with these anchors. And then later when the walls are done, you come back and you place your finished window box within the rough box, and that's basically the complete system. So it's all completely integrated with the cob wall. So basically all we do with this is drill it into the rough frame. So there's a lot of similarities to conventional stick frame construction. Windows, again, just go on attached to a rough frame like this, except with cob we have to attach that rough frame to the actual cob wall. That's the only major difference, and so we integrate it with these anchors. So that's essentially it. This is kind of specific to cob. If you're doing something like rammed earth, a lot of the time you can actually just take your finished box and drill it straight into the rammed earth wall, and that's all you need, sort of bypassing the whole rough frame and anchor system. So there's pros and cons to everything, but with cob you do need to have this sort of system, I think, because just drilling straight into the cob wall is not going to be strong over time. I think those holes that you drill can potentially come loose over time. It's just not as compact and dense as rammed earth. So anyway, again, the same concepts apply to doors. With a window, I would probably put probably 2 per side on each window, and then doors, I'd put more. Some people they place them strategically where the door takes the most strain. So basically that's it, and I hope you guys got some value out of this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions, want to say anything. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information on natural building, cob construction, rammed earth construction, and alternative building and craftsmanship. So guys, take care, be safe with your building, and see you in the next video.